Most cash advance apps don't charge traditional bank overdraft fees because they aren't overdraft services, but they may charge optional subscription fees or expedited transfer fees, depending on how you use them. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 cash advance apps designed to help users avoid overdraft situations, and what costs you should still check before requesting an advance. The first app is Earnin. Earnin allows eligible users to access part of their earned wages before payday. Instead of charging traditional interest or overdraft fees, the app offers optional tipping, and faster transfers may include an additional fee if you choose expedited funding. Next is Overdraft. Dave was built to help users manage short-term cash shortages before payday. Eligible users can request cash advances without traditional overdraft fees from the app itself, although membership costs or express transfer fees may apply depending on the services you use. Third is Bridget. Bridget offers eligible cash advances and also includes features designed to help users avoid overdrafts. While the app doesn't charge bank-style overdraft fees, access to advanced features is generally available through its subscription plan. The fourth option is MoneyLion Instacash. Instacash gives eligible users access to cash advances without traditional overdraft charges. Standard transfers are available, while expedited delivery may involve an optional fee if you want faster access to your money. The fifth app is Empower. Empower provides eligible cash advances without charging traditional overdraft fees or interest on the advance itself. Depending on your account, subscription costs and optional express funding fees may still apply. Here's the detail that's easy to miss. No overdraft fee doesn't mean every transaction is free. If your bank charges an overdraft fee because another payment exceeds your balance, that's separate from the cash advance app. Likewise, choosing faster delivery through the app may involve an optional express transfer fee, even though the advance itself doesn't include an overdraft charge. Before requesting any advance, compare the app subscription costs, transfer options, and repayment schedule. Choosing the standard transfer instead of expedited funding can often reduce your overall cost if you don't need the money immediately. If your goal is to avoid expensive overdraft charges while covering short-term expenses, Earnin, Dave, Bridget, MoneyLion Instacash, and Empower are all worth comparing. The right choice depends on your eligibility, repayment schedule, and whether you need additional budgeting tools. If this comparison helped you understand how cash advance apps differ from traditional overdraft protection, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best cash advance apps for 2026.